welcome everybody. I have one of our amazing speakers for the upcoming DEO Virtual Summit in June. We have Dr. Tarek Ali, who is in Texas, who is part of a group, an awesome group, and was kind of experiencing the on-ramp right now. And in that on-ramp, he's experiencing how important it is to keep track of KPIs and metrics and know what's going on in the business. So Tarek, thank you so much for joining us. Maybe you can give people a little bit of your background here.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Jake. My name is Tarek Ali. I used to be a dentist in a previous life, and after an MBA and a CVA and a bunch of business degrees, I fell in love with business, and I buy and build practices, and I'm a part owner in two groups here in Texas. One is 12 locations, and one is 7 locations, 19 locations total. I love what I do. I wake up happy every day.
Yeah, and that's one of the things I love about you is the business side. You're very studied and well, rehearsed in kind of the business aspect. And so one of your passions is numbers and really digging in and setting up KPIs and infrastructure to know what's going on in your business. So we talked about this before COVID and everything that's happened. And now, how are you thinking about your numbers differently now that we've gone through what we've gone through and you're ramping up, you're right in the middle of it?
What is life but a bunch of KPIs, Jake? Everything in life is key performance indicators, and everything is measurable. Life is a process, a circle of process and processes. So that doesn't stop with pandemics. That actually, in fact, is more prominent and needed now. Of course, some key performance indicators that we used to track pre-COVID are different. Now we have to track some other things, which is normal as we progress throughout civilization. So we're going to dig deeper in that presentation on what are the essential KPIs that we need to track post-COVID. What do we need to focus on? How do we track them? Different methodologies. What are the outcome? And also feedback mechanisms. How do we use those KPIs to do real life action? So it's going to be fun, just like all DEO presentations.
That's great. Yeah. I mean, that's a quote for the ages. What is life but a bunch of KPIs? I can agree with that. So yes, you're going to dive deep. And again, the way your mind works around this is incredible. And we're going to go into, what numbers were important before and now are even more important. And we're really going to go into as well, kind of what you're seeing out there. I kind of as a side benefit, you being in Texas, I know most of your locations are open. So you're kind of leading the front here as far as on-ramping and opening up. So we'll even probably dive a little bit into that, I'd imagine, what numbers you're seeing there.
Yes, and every day is a different day. Every week is a different week. We're realizing some markets, even in Texas, some zip codes or some markets have completely different approach than others. We're experiencing really high demand in some markets and very low demand in others. And how does that even affect the way we track metrics and impact change in the community?
Awesome. So thank you so much. I can tell you whenever Tarek gets up in front of people, we get such amazing feedback. He's probably one of the most requested people to come and talk that we've had. So thank you so much, Tarek. Looking forward to continuing and keep up the good work, getting the offices open and serving patients.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate this opportunity to be on your stage. I highly believe in the DEO and the community you have created, guys. It's wonderful. Without the DEO, it would have been really hard to get past COVID, and we all love it. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Tarek. We'll talk soon.
Great. Have a fantastic day.